Hey sweet gang, it's your girl Rochelle back in the building, and I am coming to you today to give you this tutorial on how to achieve a hot pink candy apple using half of my recipe. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you to your sweet connection. And for all my subbies, welcome back. I know you guys been missing me. I've been on the road, had my meet and greet in Atlanta, and it was a wonderful event. And I thank you all for those that came out and met with me and learned a few things. So here we have our clean candy apples, our pot, our thermometer, our 420 degree spatula, and our hot pink color, and our Chef Master's white, along with our Karo syrup. And I will leave in the description below of how to achieve the bubble-free candy apple with my full recipe. And we just gonna go ahead and get right into this video. So if you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section below to get ready to send me what you want to see thus far. So we're gonna roll with this thing and let's get into it. Alright, so in the pot I already have 2 cups of sugar. And then I'm going to add a half cup of water and a half cup of light corn syrup. And we're going to mix this all together. And this is the half recipe of my 411 recipe. And we want to equally combine this mixture. You want to set your stove on medium-high heat. If you have a digital stove, you want to put it between 5 and 6. On 5 or 6, or in between. Okay. Then placing your candy thermometer on the side of the pot, making sure the tip don't touch the bottom. And as you see, I always use my famous hot plate, which I love in my little studio. And I'm going to turn it up. And then we're going to let this boil to 300 degrees. Alright. And we're going to add the color at the end. And the colors, once again, that I'm going to be adding in is the Hobby Lobby color. Got some white on my finger. Which is a neon pink. And I'm going to be adding the famous Chef Master's liquid gel white food coloring. Okay, so once this reaches 300 degrees, we will get back to the video and to dipping. Alright, sweet gang, we are almost at the 300 degree mark. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and shake up my food coloring. You want to make sure that it's shook up very well before adding to your mixture, so that all the color is incorporated well, so that you can get that good solid pink. And making sure that your apples are clear of bubbles and ready to dip to get that bubble free look. Okay, the cleaning process is very important. That will be in the description below as well, and all other supplies that I am using in this video. This recipe will cover between 2 to 3 apples, depending on the size. If they're smaller apples, which these are medium size, which the smaller apples would be a little bit more. So you probably gonna get 4 apples out of this half mixture. Okay, so we're almost there. Okay, once you remove your thermometer, make sure you put it in a cup of water to get the excess syrup off. As we remove, we'll let the bubbles settle a little bit. And once again, shaking the food coloring. I'm going to add 3 drops of this Hobby Lobby Neon Pink. 2, 3. Give it a nice stir. And 2 drops of the white. Okay, and it looks like I need to add a little bit more coloring to my mix. So that's about 3 to 4 drops more that I just added in there. And you want to equally combine this mixture. To make sure the color is well combined to get that neon pink. Okay. And it looks like it's still a little bit transparent. So I'm going to add a few more drops of white. And 1 more drop of coloring. Okay. And you don't want to do too much of it. That's why I like to measure out at the end, so I know that I can achieve my desired color. Adding too much color or too much white will cause your mixture to thicken up. So if you're having problems with your mixture thickening up, you probably added too much color. Okay. And I am okay with that color. Now it's time for dipping. Letting your candy mixture run to the corner of your pot. Taking your apple and just give it a nice turn. Letting it drizzle off. Scraping the bottom of the side of the pot. Placing it on a mat. And going for apple number 2. Okay. And as you see, all right. And there you have the neon pink candy apple. Make sure that your apple's sitting so that it can set. And before even bagging, let your apples cool off so that you can get the desired temperature before bagging. Okay? So there you go, sweet gang. We have achieved the neon pink. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you enjoyed this video and how to achieve your hot pink, neon pink candy apple. And also put in the comments section below what else you want to see throughout this sweet journey, because it is on from here on out. I am with you guys. You have my full and undivided attention. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I look forward to working with you all soon. Don't forget to like, share, comment below. And it's your girl Ro about to go, and I'll definitely see you in the next video.